It's your 7th birthday!
Sit
No,
down.
no, no,
Go
no,
sit down.
no, no, no.
Nani,
Good girl.
Move her over.
you gonna sing?
Oh! Happy birthday to you! Woof! Woof! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Leilani! Happy birthday to you!
Yeah, okay.
What's that? Where'd that music come from?
Here. Go low.
Nani,
Venus calls.
eating your breakfast salad. I mean your birthday salad.
Ooh, I see the painter's crack. What are we doing?
Whoa.
Nani.
Jeez. So I just want the hard stuff. Get past this lettuce.
I can't believe that.
Look at her. She doesn't care about the lettuce. She's being picky this year.
Hello? I know. Oh, doesn't sound very silent where you are. Nani's getting her birthday salad. Whoa. Yeah. You just called the house. Yeah, we don't know. Nobody's hungry yet, but by the time we are, we'll be ravenous. Like Nani eating her salad right now. Ravenous.
Does he know I'm here?
Yeah. Sounds like it. Where are you gonna go though?
Mom, you're being recorded.
Yeah, you're the one that's out. Tag, you're it. There's rice. I just gotta check if it's still good.
Nani, you're making a mess.
I don't know. Where do you want to go? Because last time that other place kind of rushed the food and it wasn't that good. Well, tomorrow's a holiday. You think they're gonna be like that again? I think the rice is still pretty good. Yeah, go ahead and order from there then. 5:30. Okay, about 6:30 we eat then. Okay.
Get a big pizza.
We'll figure out a menu and then you'll figure out where to get it. Miley, the one, the old one? Oh. The Ginger House, not really. Yeah, we brought stuff home one time. So what, you want to stick with the one down the bottom, or are you going to give them a second chance? Yeah, you do. So I gotta do everything. You have a smartphone.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, bye. So I guess we're eating Chinese food tonight. Here's the menu. Daddy's gonna leave in about half an hour, so probably not till 6:30, so we won't order for a while, but if you want something from there, pick from there. Do you think she's gonna eat all that?
She's being picky.
That's quite a bit.
Now you realize that.
Yeah, it looked small, but now when she pulled it out, it started going crazy.
Mm.
It might be a little too much for your little tummy. There's still some in there. Or she only got the good ones. Look, now I come here, she's like,
Just gonna take my food.
Nani, slow down. Slow down. Slow down, you're gonna choke on lettuce. Mommy's been there. Slow down. Slow down. Whoa, slow down. So you're not getting a nighttime snack, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Nani, there's some carrot. Look, right here. Right here, there's carrot. We're missing the carrot. Oh, that was like a little pig. Look at
Nani.
There's one right here. Look, right there. Yeah, got it.
Good girl. And then there's one back here. Look. Back here. Good girl.
Did I touch my mess?
I know.
What are you doing?
She might be getting done. That's good. Whoa!
Taking it out of the bowl.
You're too funny, Nani.
Making a mess.
I know, I cleaned it up and she shoved it all back out. You're gonna be full. You're gonna be full.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, stop. I'll put all your lettuce back in the bowl. She's gonna...
Oh, now you're aggressive, really?
Oh. Oh, see, that's too big. That's not pretty at all. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey, watch it. Oh, look at her. Use your paws, go ahead.
Right, I'm making a mess.
That was loud. Is that food too right there?
What's that?
You wanna see me be crazy? Oh my goodness, Mommy girl. What else did we get her?
Are you done?
Yeah, I think I am. Look, we got more pity paws.
What else is in the bag?
We got greeny
Oh, you
pill
bought this? I
poppers.
didn't know you bought this.
Might as well try it. Got a scented doggy poopy bag. This is wait, the outdoors is calling me. Got some more treats in a bag. Look at that. Look, Nicole got you all kinds of treats. And then the last
It's like she's opening her
thing.
gifts.
What else did you get? Look, Nanny. Look what you got.
I had my salad.
Seriously?
Okay, done? Done, Nanny. Say bye. Bye, Nanny.
Oh, good girl.